Step-by-step guide to make a custom electronic Christmas tree. Start a project and change the background color to red. Use some green triangles to scrabble up a tree.
Storybox Audio.
Add some leaf elements.
Storybox Audio.
Change the color as you like. Copy and paste leaves to cover the tree.
Storybox Audio.
Add some Christmas decorations. Also, you can continue typing some sweet wishes to craft a custom holiday greeting card. That's all done. Hope you enjoy it.